Want to change your WordPress site URL safely and easily? Today, I'll guide you step by step so you can update your site's URL without any stress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard by typing your site's URL followed by /wp-admin. Log in with your credentials to access the dashboard, which is your control center for all website settings. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and click Settings. Then make sure you are on the General tab. Here, you'll see two important fields: WordPress address and site address URL. Carefully replace the current URL in both fields with your new desired URL. Double check for typos and make sure to include HTTP or HTTPS depending on your site's SSL setup. Once you're sure everything is correct, scroll down and click Save Changes. Your WordPress URL is now updated. You may be logged out temporarily, so just log in again using the new URL. Keep in mind, any old links, bookmarks, or shared paths to your previous URL may no longer work. So consider setting up redirects if necessary. And that's it. You've successfully updated your WordPress URL. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful WordPress tips.